Welcome back to the vlog, you guys. Happy Tuesday. I'm about to take my vitamins because we're about to head out. So I thought we would vlog today just because we have a lot going on. I should have probably been vlogging all week because it's been pretty chaotic. I mean, that's the reason why I wasn't vlogging, because it was chaotic. We are finally getting our floors done and it's actually been pushed out. It should have already been happening like yesterday actually. I wasn't feeling well because I got my period and I was like, the last thing I want is to have to be doing a bunch of stuff when I'm feeling the way that I feel, because as you guys know, I get very bad cycles. We pushed it back a bit, but then I started getting like, we had already picked our floor, we already had the color, everything, but then I started getting second thoughts. And one thing about me, if you are a Libra like me, it is so hard to commit to something and make a decision. Like, it is literally the hardest thing and it's overwhelming me. So Dennis is like, let's just go look at a few more colors and see if you like something else. So that's what we're gonna do today. Before we leave, I'm gonna take my vitamins. I'm trying to separate my vitamins because last time I felt like it was stuck in my throat for like 5 minutes. I have my Stanley full of water. And I added a liquid IV. The passion fruit one has been my favorite. So I bought a new pack and I'm also reading a new book. I'll tell you guys about it in the car. I used a new blow dry cream, not blow dry, air dry cream from Living Proof, and it actually left my hair really pretty because you guys know I have very frizzy hair. So if you guys have frizzy hair and you have wavy hair and you want to wear it like this but you don't want it to get frizzy, try that product. I will link it down below. It's their new air dry cream, I believe it's called. And I also did my makeup with some new makeup products. We are heading out. The boys are coming with us. They don't know yet, but they're about to get so excited. Dennis is giving them a little treat. But, oh, the floor's not out. Oh, let me show you guys. Well, I did show you guys a little sneak peek of when they picked up the couch. I'll actually insert that here. You guys, our couch just got picked up. I'm a little sad, to be honest. I've had this couch for a while. It's held so many memories, and here is all the cushions, and then this is the couch. Such a big, comfortable couch. We got it at Living Spaces, and I think they still have it, but it's going goodbye. There's Dennis carrying it out. And this is my mess right now. This is my sad little living room, but it's not gonna look like this for long. The walls are obviously stained from the couch, I don't know if you guys can see, but their living room is gonna get painted. We moved over my little 6-penny chair because we have nowhere to sit and we wanted to watch our show. This is big enough for Dennis and I to sit. This is how comfy and like nice it is. So I'm so excited for us to get our couch. And then I still gotta get rid of all that mess there. Obviously that's where like the little couch goes, but that's not gonna go there anymore. We're gonna move all this. The house is a literal disaster. Like, it just feels so wonky and messy, but I know that when we're done with all of this, because we've been decluttering so much, it's just gonna feel so much better. Like, this is a lot of PR that we've gotten and some new stuff. I went to Walmart the other day and I picked up these cute cups. I'm gonna redo my little bar, so I'll show them to you guys. Well, I can show them to you guys now so you guys can kind of see them while Dennis is ready. Are you ready? They're so cute. I will also link these. Look at these. And they're glass, so they're perfect for fall. You guys know we do a lot of hosting, so I always try to get cute little things for when I have people over. We also got this cute little jack-o'-lantern stack for our Halloween pumpkin carving day that we have here at the house. We're about to tell them. Look how excited they get. Let's go. Oh, we got Benji a new toy. And we always say Benji because Otis doesn't really play with toys. They're so excited. They're coming with us because we have a long car ride. Okay, so I got my Stanley. And then when I get back, we're tackling the rest of the house. Like, that PR is gonna get put away. Just got a bunch of stuff. So we have a new dining table coming in, you guys. I cannot wait to share with you guys. I'm so excited because we've been wanting a new dining table for a while now. Couldn't decide what to do with the dining table that we had because it's such a beautiful table and it's such good quality. And so my cousin was over and I was telling him like, hey, I don't know what to do with the table. Like, we were just kind of talking about it. Okay, so I was telling you guys about the dining table. So when my cousin suggested to use it as an outdoor table, I was like, genius. Like, how did I not think of that? And because the slab is marble, it won't get damaged with like water or heat or anything, and we're probably going to seal it and put something so that it last even longer. Maybe get a custom cover for it as well. So happy that we found a space for it, and so now it's gonna be outdoor. I did order some chairs from Amazon, so they should be arriving today. I only ordered 2 just to see how they look with the table.
Chairs?
Yeah, I ordered 2.
Oh, cool.
It's like a set of 2 for the outside, yeah.
They're outdoor chairs.
Yeah, they're outdoor chairs. That's what's going on with the table, and then we're waiting for our couch. I actually had to extend our hold on the couch because the couch has been ready for a while, but because we're getting the floors redone, like they're doing the floors, and we had to sell our couch before, I contacted the company and extended the hold at the warehouse. We did have to pay, but I'm like, it's okay, because if not, where the hell am I gonna stick this couch? Like, we had nowhere to put it because we still had our old couch, but now that couch has been sold and now we have no couch in our living room. We're heading to a place that has a variation of floors. We went to a few different showrooms and we thought we were set on one, but I like it. I just don't know if it's too light. That's like my only fear. So we're gonna go look at a couple more, and if the other ones just don't do it, then we're gonna go with our original and then probably get the floors started in the next couple of days. We have been decluttering and cleaning and organizing, which I guess, yeah, which I guess is a good thing because we've been able to declutter a ton. House just feels, right now it feels messy because there's things everywhere, but I know that once they're put in their place, it's just gonna feel so much better. I also want to tell you guys about the books that I have been reading. I read 3 books from Ellen Hilderbrand, and I love her style of writing. I think I had already mentioned that to you guys. I read Hotel Nantucket, 5 stars, absolutely love, highly recommend. And then I read 28 Summers, also 5 stars, highly recommend. And then I read 5-Star Weekend. It was a cute read, but I give it like 4 stars. Like if I had to rank them, that was my least favorite so far, but it's still a good read. So still recommend it. And now I'm reading, I think it's called Housemaid Watching from the Housemaid series. So I already read the first 2, which is they were really good thrillers. So the first one I think is the best one. The second one was also good, but I think I liked the first one more. And now I'm reading the 3rd one of the series. So I just needed to take a break from the other books, even though I love the author, but I know that if I continue to just read her books, I'm gonna get tired of them. So I wanted to take a break and kind of switch over. So now I'm reading a thriller. And that's kind of what has been going on. We've just been cleaning, organizing. I haven't really picked up the vlog because I've been so trying to get the house ready. But yeah, so now we're heading over to the floors. Okay, I stayed in the car just because we have the boys, and he brought me these 3 samples. I can tell you right now, this is a no.
Yeah, well, these are the only ones that they have that.
This one could be possible.
This one has too much gray.
Yeah, and it's like too bleached, kind of. Yeah. Since we have the boys, I told Dennis, just go take a peek. Tell me if you even see anything that's good, because we obviously have an idea of what we want. When we're on this side of town, we have to take advantage. We stopped by our favorite place that has wet burritos. This is Paco's Tacos on Centinela in Culver City. And you always have to get these little zanahorias and vinagre, chips, salsa, and the 3 burritos. Yum. We are back home, so I am going to start taking all of this off the table because they're going to be moving this table and I don't want anything to fall and break. So, especially these things, because this is like actual stone. It's so heavy. So I'm just going to take all the books off. We got my little Maddie here, and then these are shells that we've collected. So we just need to take all of this off the table. This is just like, I don't even know what this is. These are clips, they don't belong here. Whenever anybody leaves anything in the house, it normally goes into this little thing. Like, this is Santi's Toys. I have no idea what this is. We have some sage, so I need to clean this as well. We're gonna go run some errands. But before that, cafecito. That was the last of that bag. We tried some new beans from a coffee shop. They were good, but what we love about Alfred's is that the bean, it doesn't taste or smell sour. That's why we had to stock up because we ran out. place, you guys. I feel like I'm going insane. There's just so many different options, and I thought I was set on the color that I had. Then I started getting second thoughts and doubts, and so we went to a place yesterday, you guys saw that, and they didn't have what we were looking for, so we came back to our original place and we started pulling other samples. I want a little bit of warmth. I don't want the house to feel too cool or like that gray undertone, because obviously that's what we're trying to steer away from. Those are the floors that we had right now. So we pulled a few more. We have 3 more samples. We have a total of 5. 2 which is our original ones that we were gonna go with, and then 3 additional that we're about to take home, because the lighting, the showroom here has no windows, so it's very hard to try to envision what it looks like with natural light. So we're gonna take them home and put them in our space and see how they look. But this is literally, I mean, I'm so excited for this project, but if you've ever done floors in your house, then you know what this feels like. It's very overwhelming because it is such a big investment, and I am literally terrified that I'm going to pick the wrong floors. So, which is why we're taking our time. Technically, the floors probably should have been almost done by now. I have a meeting in 20 minutes, so we need to actually hurry. But I just showered, did my skincare, did not do any makeup, did some work on the computer, and then came over here because we have to finalize this today. Otherwise, this project is just going to continue to get pushed out, and we're waiting for our couch. We can't have them deliver our couch until our floors are done. All right, you guys, we are back home, and we've laid out the samples in the living room. This one isn't, no, we're Xing that out because we were told, hello, it's not good material. So we're gonna get rid of that. And so these are the 3 that we're going for. Excuse me, sir, can I help you? What are you trying to tell me? Do you wanna go outside? Outside? Okay, okay. Whoa, okay, come on, let's go. Whoa, what is going on? Okay, come on, let's go outside. We just got him that alligator. You don't want to take your alligator outside? There you go. Now we are left with these top 3 contenders. This has been the original, which is, I think, a little too cool tone. I think that's what scared me. So I think we're gonna end up going with this one because it's a little bit on the warmer side. It still hits like neutral. Like, see how, I just think that's gonna warm up the house. This one's also really nice. I think it's gonna be between these 2. But I think I'm aiming towards that middle one because it's warmer and it'll add warmth. We shall let you guys know once they have been selected. Janice just got back with boxes because we're about to start boxing things up. So we got 2 sizes. We got the small and the medium. And I already started taking everything off of this table. Put in this old bin that we have, but I think I'm gonna have to take some stuff out because you guys, this thing is so heavy. Babe, is this too heavy? It's like super heavy. No?
No, but I think it's good enough.
Okay. And
is that all you have left? The books?
Books, yeah. I'm gonna put these in here.
Oh, okay.
I just didn't want to make this too heavy to move.
No, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
And I have those books.
I'm even thinking if we really needed to move it when they get here, I could have them put it here.
I have my vacuum because we got new dressers, or not dressers, nightstands. So we are saying goodbye to these. So I'm clearing out. Okay, this is the nightstand. So I just need to vacuum the inside. It has like this little felt. So just vacuum that. And then obviously find a home for all of this. And then move these out because my mom is actually taking these. So yeah, let me get that done.
Because we already got the estimate for the other floors. Oh, he said that the other one's same price.
Oh, okay.
$275.
Okay. Okay, I did like that these nightstands have like really big drawers. But I feel that when you have drawers this big, you're more prone to just keeping a bunch of shit in there. So these are nice and cleaned out. So now I just need to find a home for all these perfumes. and my jewelry and organize that, but at least the inside is done. I need to show you guys the progress that I have made with my jewelry. All of this was in my nightstand, not organized at all, and this is still not organized. I just kind of wanted to see everything that I have, and then I'm going to organize it. Like, obviously the silver in between the gold is, that's a no, so the silver is probably going to go up here, but I just need to see how much space I have. Also, I have this ring that's the little like pearl, it's not real pearl, but fell off, so I want to glue that back. And FYI, none of this is real gold. This is all Amazon jewelry or like J. Crew, Madewell, jewelry that brands have sent me. None of this is real. It's all fake. The only real jewelry that I have is the one that literally stays on me and I never take off, and my rings. But yeah, so this is all of, well, this isn't even all of it, but I still need to organize this mess over here, but we're not going to do that today. At least we got this done, and it looks so pretty. Hi, my sweet boy. Where'd you go? They went with their dad to go get tacos. It is taco night. Whoa. These are mine? Mm-hmm. I got 3 asada. I always said, I mean, I say 2, but Dennis always brings me an extra one because he knows. Eventually, I'm going to want another one. And then, what'd you get, babe? 3 pollo, 1 deshebrada. Mm-hmm. And then we got, oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like, it literally smells like I'm in Mexico. Because you know when you're walking at night and you just smell all the tacos? That's what it smells like. Okay, anyway, they gave us a little garnish baggie here, salsas. And then I think I mentioned this already, but this is our favorite agua mineral. It's called Agua de Piedra, and we get it at Vallarta. It's so good because it has so much gas. It's so good. It's like the best one that we've ever tried, and we tried like the Topo Chicos. Jarritos is also good. Jarritos, I would say, is our number 2. Yeah. But this one, you guys, Agua de Piedra. Try it if you like sparkling water. We are taking a break from all the work that we've been doing in the house, all the decluttering. Yeah, I guess we're done for the day. Look, why did you tell me I look like this?
Well, I figure
I
both
look
of us.
crazy. Oh my God. Not that this is any better, but yeah, it's been pretty chaotic, but I know that when we're done with this, we're gonna feel so good. I don't think we've ever done a deep declutter like this.
We haven't done one in a long time. Like
years. So we have a lot that we're decluttering, and I think once the floors get put in, and like we have our new nightstands that are just kind of laying on the side, and the old ones, so the old ones are gonna be gone, so we're just gonna have the new ones. The Peloton is gonna be moved out of the room into the studio, which I'm so excited about. We're actually gonna be working on the studio as well, but that's probably not gonna be for like a month or so. I actually have to call Peloton and schedule that move because they can move your Peloton from room to room. You just have to pay for them to come out. Obviously, we can move it ourselves, but because like if it was being moved from like, let's say our bedroom into like Dennis's office or one of the other rooms, we can do that because we can like roll it. But this one's gonna be moved into the studio, and there's steps, and this Peloton, you guys, weighs so much. Like it is so heavy. So we have to call and have them move it. And then also it's a huge investment. So I don't want us to mess it up. Even though it has really good warranty. We got really good insurance on it. I have to schedule that for them to come and move the Peloton. I don't know, when should I do that? Once the floors are in, obviously. So the Peloton's gonna be out of the bedroom. The 2 extra nightstands are gonna be out. So the room is gonna feel so nice. We're decluttering both of the closets, which is gonna be nice. I think I'm gonna end up moving our 6-penny little like lounge chair into our room. I think that's going to be really cute, and it's going to create like a little corner, especially because we're getting the new couch, and we're going to have our 2 other chairs that we have from CB2. So anyway, there's a lot going on. So it's taking a lot of work and energy, but I know that it's going to be worth it at the end. Like we're going to be so happy. It's time for dinner, and it's time to watch Downton Abbey, which is our favorite show of the moment. If you guys haven't watched it, watch it. There's 6 seasons, so you guys have a lot to be able to watch. So that's kind of been like our little binge show.
Thank you.
So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. See you guys in the next one.